Hey, this is Dr. Madsen doing another little brief video on a tool we use in the office to help people get to their goal as far as optimal health. This particular tool is nitric oxide, and nitric oxide is a vasodilator. In 1998, it won the Nobel Prize in cardiology and physiology because of the vasodilatory effects it had on the heart. Since then, they've done lots and lots of study. Not only does it vasodilate vessels, increases blood flow in the heart, but also in the legs, arms, the brain, a lot of the organs to the penis. It's a big deal with erectile dysfunction. The way you check is these are nitric oxide indicator strips. And what you do is you just take one of the little strips out and you put it under your tongue for about 10 seconds. And you take it out and it turns from white to a particular color and you just match it up. And you can see where your nitric oxide levels are. If they're low, you want to get them up because you want to increase blood flow everywhere in the body if you can. You can do it by eating certain foods. You got to eat quite a few of it. Beets, arugula, celery, those type foods. If you eat enough of them, it'll get your nitric oxide up. If you do a lot of heavy exercise, stuff like what triathlon athletes do, that'll get your nitric oxide up. And certain taking nitric oxide supplements will get it up. If you get on Amazon Prime, they have lots and lots of different kinds of nitric oxide. They're coming from an amino acid, arginine, is what they use in that supplement to break down. But what happens before it gets to the vessels, a lot of it is just broken down. So there's another one, citrulline, and we actually have that in the office. Citrulline bypasses a lot of those breakdown areas, and you get a lot better blood flow. It becomes really important after the age of about 40. So the price of the supplements in our office, actually, I believe, are a little bit less than you can get the less valuable supplements online. It's the only supplement we really sell because it seems to work really well. And they don't sell this actually directly on the internet. It has to go through medical offices. So it's a vasodilator. It helps with blood flow. The studies right now are dementia. They're doing studies on whether or not it helps that. It helps blood flow through the heart. Won the Nobel Prize for that. It actually assists in lowering blood pressure. It's a big player for people with erectile dysfunction. And it improves blood flow for people with peripheral vascular disease, diabetic ulcers, etc. That's nitric oxide. Cool little tool to see if you're up to snuff, and supplements if you're not, or exercise or diet. All right, have a great day.